Do you know about Thanksgiving? It's a special day when people celebrate the things they are thankful for. Thanksgiving happens every year on the fourth Thursday of November. It's a fun time for everyone. People love decorating spaces with pumpkins, colorful leaves, and fun autumn banners to celebrate the season. Families get ready for Thanksgiving by gathering food like pumpkins, corn, and apples to cook delicious meals. Families cook yummy food on Thanksgiving, while little ones play happily nearby.
Families gather around the table to enjoy lots of delicious foods and spend time together.
Many cities have Thanksgiving parades with balloons, floats, and performances. It's exciting to watch with friends.
Thanksgiving is also about helping others, like sharing food to make someone's day brighter. On Thanksgiving, we also share toys with others to spread kindness and joy. Kids love playing outside on Thanksgiving, jumping in leaves, and enjoying the crisp autumn air. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos!